Engineering students at Rowan University have been refining a labor-saving device they created for villagers in developing regions of Asia and Africa. The people of a South Indian village tried out 2 versions of the mechanical grain crusher last winter and gave the students here enough feedback to keep them busy through the spring term. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan has the story.
Scenes like this are part of the daily grind in many parts of the world, where women and children rise before the sun to begin cracking lentils and crushing grains for food. The old ways are effective but can be strenuous and time-consuming, and Rowan students have taken on the challenge of proposing alternatives. When 2 grain crusher prototypes made the trip from South Jersey to southern India, the way was smoothed by the locally active Dawn Foundation. The project itself was inspired by another nonprofit organization.
The civil engineering program tries to get really involved with engineers about border projects.
That group had sent a team of engineers to Senegal in 2006 who identified grain crushing as a potential target for innovation.
I thought about, okay, what can we do where we can come up with appropriate technologies that the students can work on with their junior and senior clinics, and then take these technologies, which are rather simple, and take it to the developing world where they can manufacture it locally using local material.
The machines that took shape here, powered by bicycle-like drive systems, got their first real test in the community center of a village called Sengal Padai.
And we basically had them test it, see what they liked about it, see what they didn't like, and then give us feedback, a creative input as to what we can change, and that's what we implemented this semester. They would rather do it by hand than by pedaling because it's kind of a little awkward upright, and they don't want to get their clothes caught in the chain.
The cycle of design, fabrication, testing, and redesign rolls on despite the graduation of several team members. The next steps will be to sow the seeds of entrepreneurial ventures, assuming local manufacturers could produce grain crushers at a low enough cost.
I think it was a nice project because we were able to incorporate general fundamentals that we learned in the classroom to work that into our design. As much as I enjoy designing it and revamping a previous version, once the design's on paper, my part I really enjoy is getting in and actually building it.
We have something to show at the end of the semester instead of just words on paper.
Patrick Regan, NJN News, Glassboro.